Bernice Saroni ũrĩa nĩwe promoter na organizer wa Samido's USA Tour rĩu nĩakĩrĩire Karen Nyamu na oho kumbũra maũndũ matiganĩte megiĩ Karen Nyamu na ũrĩa makoretwo magĩtwarana, na at this point rĩu nĩacokeirie Karen Nyamu mĩario mĩrũrũ na akauga enough is enough. She has taken to her Facebook page na gũitũrũra all this akiuga atĩ Wamadhutha ijatosha. Sasa ni mama, where you are the age of my mother, you should be giving me advice, not fighting for a man. Age nominated senator, you're beyond this stupidity. Now you have stepped on the wrong toes. You video called, wanted to know who I am, then you twist the story at we are friends. Since when and how? You need mental evaluation, otherwise I'll drive you myself for therapy. Don't bleed on me with your past wounds, get healing. Kwani Sam ndiye wa kwanza kukua na yeye? Kila siku ni kutry to prove a point. Nonsense, you can't let people breathe. NKT, my advice mama, focus na kulea watoto like most of us. At least behave like a woman of value, ama at least dignity kidogo, nominated whatsoever. Hashtag strength of a woman, hashtag favored by God. Hashtag prayers work, hashtag nobody shaming. Nashoka ashare a screenshot of Karen Nyamu's post on Instagram. Ira Karen Nyamu ekugaga ati, I'm in a long flight guys to pick the story. Aki-engage my fans ake. Nashoka ashare another screenshot ati umeona Samido ako na mumama. Na in that post Karen Nyamu had another title akiuga the mumama na korota hayugo. It seems to have been a video call ya Karen Nyamu na Bernice saroni. Na gathi na mbere na kuga ati niwewe tulikuwa tunachekelea kwa hiyo video call by the way. Well, uguo niguo maundu makihana mwena ucio wa Bernice saroni na Karen Nyamu. Na even earlier on Karen Nyamu niaukoretwo still agishare another post kura murumiriri umwe wake niekumuuritie ati if she's fighting for Samido, na Karen Nyamu replied akiuga ati not really but he's worth fighting for. Na nĩ ũndũ watiga mafans ao makiuria, is it really true, are they really beefing or it's just cloud chasing? Nĩ ũndũ ũtaramenyekana wega, but in Bernice saroni's post nĩakorwo akĩra Karen Nyamu ati she's beyond this, she should act better than this, she's a senator now. Na oho atige kuhenania ati they are friends, they are not friends. Nathi nginya na mbere kumwira ati she needs mental evaluation. Aria hau we akiuga ati ona Sam tiwe wa mbere gukorwo nake, na ona agikorwo akimuhe advice ati arere ciana, afocus na kurera ciana, no ti gutinda guku akiika maundu ma heshima ndogo. Well, let's wait and see if Karen Nyamu will respond, because for sure she will see the post. Reke tuone kana nĩegũkorwo agicokeria Bernice saroni.